Welcome to the video lecture on the course Op Amp and Linear Integrated Circuit. In this session, we will be concentrating on the topic of integrated circuit 8-bit DAC. So especially we are going to use the IC for the 8-bit conversion from digital to analog part. So what is this integrated circuit 8-bit DAC? So the MC1408 is an integrated circuit 8-bit DAC typically operating from plus or minus 5 volt supply. So this will be the pin configuration of the MC1408. This is a 16 pin IC which is available in a dual inline package DIP, what we call. The pin number 1 is representing the output range control. The pin number 2 is the ground pin, and the speciality of this IC is this is compatible with TTL and CMOS logic. The pin number 4 is the current output pin. The pin number 14 and 15 are the reference pins. So plus V reference and minus V reference, and pin number 16 is compensation. The terminals through 5 to 12, that is from pin number 5 to pin number 12, these are the digital input pins with the MSB acting at the pin number 5 and LSB acting at pin number 12, and pin number 13 and 3 are the supply connections. 13 is for plus VCC and 3 is for minus VEE. So this is about the pin configuration of MC1408. Now seeing the block diagram of this particular MC1408. The block diagram consists of mainly the current switches to connect the input to the particular circuit. So that is, we call it as a current switches. It consists of a R2R ladder DAC and a reference current amplifier. So mainly this is a current to voltage converter, what we can state. So in this case now, this particular IC requires 2 milliampere reference current for full scale input and 2 power supplies. So VCC will be equal to plus 5 volt and VEE is minus 15 volt. So the negative supply VEE can vary between minus 5 to minus 15 volts. The V reference and R14 will determine the total reference current source, what is the amount of current flowing, and R14 is equal to R15 to match the input impedance of the reference current amplifier. So the output current I0 is given by the expression I0 is equal to V reference divided by R14 into D1 by 2 plus D2 by 4 plus D3 by 8 plus D4 by 16 plus D5 by 32 plus D6 by 64 D7 by 128 plus D8 by 256. Since it is a 8-bit, it is 2 to the power of 8. So 2 to the power of 8 is nothing but 256. D1 through D8 can either be 0 or 1. For typical circuit full scale current, I0 will be equal to, so when all the inputs are at 1, the value of I0 will be equal to 1.992 milliampere. Full scale current is always 1 LSB less than reference current source of 2 milliampere. So here 2 milliampere is the reference, it is always less the full current. This current is converted into the voltage by I to V converter, that is current to voltage converter. The output voltage is V0 is equal to the current 1.992 milliampere into 2.5 K, which is equal to 4.98 volt. 2.5 kilo is nothing but the feedback resistor what we are using in our current to voltage converter. The arrow on pin 4 shows direction of current. It is inward, which indicates MC1408 has the capability of sinking the current. This circuit gives the output in unipolar range, that is 0 to plus 5 volt. or 00 to FF, since it is a FF, since it is a 8 bit. So in this what we call in hexadecimal, so 0 to plus 5 volt unipolar range. Suppose if you want a bipolar range, that is from minus 5 to plus 5, then this circuit can be modified. This particular circuit can be modified in such a way that we are going to place a resistance RB of 5 kilo ohm, which is connected between V reference and the output of MC1408. So this has to be connected, the resistance RB. This provides a constant current of 1 milliampere. This resistance RB is providing a constant current of 1 milliamp. Always there is a 1 milliampere current at pin number 4 arriving, and depending on the other values, that current will be added there. This circuit can be observed for our 3 different conditions. So we will see these 3 different conditions. Condition 1. For the binary input 0 0, that is in hexadecimal, the output current at pin 4 is 0. Due to this, the current flowing through the resistance RB is 1 milliampere flows through the resistance RF. Therefore, we can write V0 is equal to minus 5 volt, since it is a inverting case. Condition 2. For the binary input 80 hexadecimal, the output current at pin 4 is 1 milliampere. Therefore, applying KCL at the inverting terminal of a current to voltage converter, minus IB plus I0 plus IF, which is equal to 0. So substituting the values, we will get IF is equal to 0. Therefore, output voltage V0 is equal to 0, what we are going. And the condition 3 is for the binary input FF in hexadecimal, the output current at pin 4 is 2 milliampere. So applying KCL at the inverting terminal and finding the value of IF is equal to minus 1 milliampere, what we are going to get. Therefore V0 will be equal to minus of minus, which is equal to plus 5 volts, since it is of a inverting amplifier. So in this way we can convert a unipolar circuit into a bipolar range varying from minus 5 volt to plus 5 volt, and this is possible by using the integrated circuit MC1408, which is a 8-bit tag. So thank you for watching this.